Renting movies on Amazon Prime Video is easy, but it can feel confusing at first. I know it's dark. Thanks for being here. So listen, maybe you've wanted to watch a new release, but the process seemed complicated. You're not alone. Let's break it down step by step. So first, you're going to open the Amazon Prime Video app or the website. You're going to see a search bar at the top. So use this to find a movie or show that you want to rent. Once you find it, look for the rent option next to the title. Second thing is choose your rental duration. Most rentals give you 48 hours to finish the movie after you start watching. Third thing is you got to check your payment method. So you'll need a valid card or Amazon gift card, the balance to rent. Fourth thing is that after the payment, you could start streaming. But you got to remember that if you're unsure about your rental, there's actually an option to cancel within a set time. Okay? So lastly, don't forget that rentals are often available in HD or UHD quality, and renting on Amazon Prime is fast and easy. So go ahead and start watching today. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for being here. I love you. Ciao.